As an Android TV user, what is my favorite Android TV app store? Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I want to share with you guys what I consider my favorite Android TV app store. Now, I've created lots of videos on how to install applications from different sources on the internet, perfect sources, good sources, app stores, websites, so and so on. But out of all these app stores, which of them is my favorite? And that's what you are going to be discovering in this video. So if you like it, if you find it interesting, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. And also, if you want to support the channel beyond just a subscribe or a bell, then please you can also send me a super thanks. I'll be grateful to you for that. So that was it about the introduction of this video, and please make sure to watch right up to the end because I'm going to try to show everything step by step. And here's my Android TV. So as I said earlier, I have created videos on how to install tons of applications from different sources on the internet, different app store, Google Play Store, apps, websites, and so on. But as an Android TV user, I've always had the question is, which of these app store is my favorite? Which one is my go-to app store? Which one do I go to the first when I'm looking for an application to install? And I'm going to show you in this video. And if you are surprised, it is not the only, it is not downloader, it is not Google Play Store, it is none of these. And I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to show you why. So let's get started by me installing my favorite app store, and I'm going to install it without using downloader. And this is one thing good about this app store, because even at the moment of creating this video, downloader is currently down, downloader is not working. So if I couldn't install this application without downloader, it will be a big problem to me. So that's one thing I love about this app. I can actually install it to my Android TV without downloader. So what I'll do is I'll go back to my browser. I'm using my Google browser. If you have an Android TV, or you have a TV that has an Android operating system, then your browser should work in installing most applications as mine. Now, the system might not look the same as mine, the interface might not look the same as mine, but the process is still the same. Just go over to your browser. It can be Chrome, Google, Brave, TV Bro, whatever browser you're using. Just go over to your browser, and on it, just go ahead and search the APK Time app. So here is it, APK Time. Now, yeah, I already revealed the secret. APK Time is my favorite app store, and I'm going to show you everything on it. So I go over to APK Time. This is how I'm going to install it to my Android TV without downloader. Yes, using downloader to install it is the easiest option, but I'll just go over here and I'll come over to this option that says Malavida. Please follow attentively. This option that says Malavida, and I'm going to click on it. APK Time download. Now, as you click on it, it's going to bring you here. Please, there's this option here that says APK Time APK. Just click on it, and the application is going to start downloading to your Android TV. This is how to install this application from Google browser or any other browser without necessarily using the Google Play Store, and this works perfectly. It works for me, and if you have an Android TV, this should also work for you. So on your Android TV, just go over to APK Time, search, and you're going to get this, and then go over straight away to this option that says download and click on it. Please follow attentively. So as you click on it, the application is going to start downloading. Just give it a moment or a second. It says, do you want to download this application? Okay, I already have it downloaded, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to download it again. So I'm just going to go over here and I click download. When I click download, if the application has been updated, the new version is going to update. So it's going to go over here and ask me to install, which I'm going to go ahead and install straight away. You see, it is as simple as this. So here's the application, it is installed. Now once it's installed, you can click done, and then you can come over here and close every other thing that you've done. And this is how you can install APK Time from your browser. Remember, just go over to your browser, search, I go over to this option that says Malavida. Now other options will also work. There's this of the first option, which is the official website of APK Time. It could also work, and also the second option from Softonic could also work. All of these are options that I can use to install the APK Time application. But I've already used what I use commonly, and I'm just showing you guys what I would do as an Android TV user, what I've done several times, what is safe, and what has worked for me several times. So that's how I use that method to install the APK Time. So after installing the APK Time, this is how I'll do. I'll come over here, here's it over here, and I'll launch it. Now APK Time is my favorite Android app store because it is simple to use and it has the essential applications that I'm interested in as an Android TV user. So it is very simple to use. It doesn't have lots of applications like most websites I have shared. Neither does it have most applications like Link will do. But for me as an Android TV user, it has the essential app. It has the basic applications that I'm interested in, and that's why I consider it as my favorite app store. Because also, beside the fact that it is simple to use, here its categories has it has above, or I think around 15 categories. I've not counted them all together, but it has about 15 categories of different app store. I can come over here, I can check out all the category. It has a category dedicated just for new updates. There's something I want to say. On APK type, all the applications are all updated. That's one thing you should be confident about. All the apps here are updated, and that's also another thing I choose this. Now, if I go over here and I click on tools, for instance, a category like tools, here are the applications that you are going to find here. And all of these are essential apps to Android TV users. Now, here's one thing I also like about OnLink. Oh, why did I keep mentioning OnLink? I'm sorry about that, guys. Here's one thing I like about APK time. It doesn't just give you one version of application as an Android TV user. It gives you two versions. As an Android TV user, your Android TV can be 32-bit or it can be 64-bit. Mine is 32-bit. If you have 64-bit, you have to choose a version of the application that is going to be compatible with your Android TV. And that's one thing I love about the APK time. It gives you two versions of applications for you to choose which one is compatible with yours. If you come to options like essentials, you're going to see applications that are essential to Android TV user like ES5 Explorer and Telegram. If you come to options like File Manager, now as a YouTube creator, I cannot show you all the applications in these categories because some might not be shown on YouTube. So if I go over to option like media players, you're going to see important media players on your Android TV, and there are tons of them here. Here, here are media players that are going to work on your Android TV. I just have to go ahead and install anyone and try. So this is APK time, and I consider it my favorite app store on Android TV. Now, the question you might be asking, also, just before I go to the last thing I want to talk about, if you're looking for coding forks, yes, this also have different coding forks that you can install to your Android TV. If you're looking for entertainment apps, just go over here. If you're looking for live apps or movie apps, all of them are all here. So now the question you might be asking is, how do you install an application from here? It is very simple. To install an application, just go over to application you want to install. Let's say for instance, I want to install a tool at my Android TV. So just go over here to the application I want to install. I don't even know which app to use as an example. But let's say I go over to an application like this. Okay, I'm going to try to use this and I want to install this. All I have to do is just click on download and the application is going to start downloading. Now it's going to take a while before downloading, so just give it a moment. So here's it's downloading, showing downloading 25% currently. Just give it a moment to complete downloading. So when the application is downloaded, it's just going to go over here and says, do you want to install this? And all you have to do is to click on install, and the application is going to install to your Android TV. And that's it about this video. I've shown you my favorite Android TV app. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.